If you want to make your first $20 from home, from any location, then don't skip this video, because I'm going to be sharing with you a platform, a legit one at that pays you to participate in user research studies. Top companies want your feedback. You make money participating in user research studies and help influence the products and services of tomorrow. It is very easy and straightforward. Sometimes you might not even give up to 10 minutes to make $20. So, but if you have a little time to spare, this one is for you. You do not need to quit your 9 to 5 for it, but it goes a long way. I'll be sharing with you the proof. I actually completed one study last night. It was about 10 minutes and I got paid $20. So they pay via gift cards. They have thousands of gift cards options. They can also pay you via Visa card. So if you want a virtual card, they can pay you. So I cashed out my earnings via virtual card. This one is not the type that stays for 14 days before you get paid. No, you get paid as soon as you complete the study. All right. All you need to do is to apply for the particular study you want to go for, meet the criteria. If you're selected, they will send you an email for you to participate. Sometimes, once they send you an email that a study is available, you sign in, complete the questionnaire, and selected. Then you'll be able to complete that particular study immediately and get paid. So let's explore this website, and I'll be showing you the study format and the study type so that you can sign up. You probably would have heard about this before. Maybe I've shared it here before now, but I haven't started earning as of then. So immediately I earned from it, cashed out my earnings. I said I must bring it back to you guys. So let's get started. If today's your first time seeing me, we talk about ways to make money online. We're not saying you should quit your 9 to 5, but we talk about ways to make cash online. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to others who might be interested in making little money online. So let's get started. The name of this website is User Interviews. User Interviews is a paid research studies. Companies come here to recruit people like you and me to complete research and research studies for them to help influence the products and services. So participating is fun and easy. You give your opinion on new product ideas and prototypes. You test an app or website, or simply talk about your life experiences. So all you need to do is to apply to studies below and they will send you more paid study opportunities. So this is how it will look like. When you come to this page, you're going to sign up to participate and get paid. You're not going to sign up as a recruiter, all right? So sign up to participate and get paid. But I will sign in because I have an account already. So by the time you're trying to sign in, each time you're trying to sign in, they will always send you a verification code to make sure that you are the person there trying to access the account. The reason they do that is because sometimes you might have money in your virtual card. They wouldn't want someone else to access it. So they have to send you a verification code each time you're signing in to make sure you are the one signing into that account. Once you sign up, make sure to complete your profile, guys. Your profile is very important that you complete it. If you don't complete your profile, they will not send you interviews because they do not really know your qualifications and all of that. They don't know the languages you speak. They don't know anything about you. So you're going to fill your basic details, which is important. Fill your professional details, your product and service details, technical details, and security. The reason they want these professional details is that they can send you interviews that match your profession. They will send you interviews about products and services that you love. and other things. So make sure to come here and complete these details. Profile strength is excellent because I haven't verified my work email address. If I do that, I think it should be completed, but I've done every other thing for my profile. So once you finish that, you can then start receiving emails. Whenever there's a paid research that they need to complete ASAP, they will send you an email to let you know. Then you sign in. Also, they will tell you the type of device to use for that particular test. So for this one now, this one is $10 for just 10 minutes. And you need a computer with webcam, Mac or Windows. You need your audio and you need the screen. So if I'm going for this one, I would need to apply to participate. So once you apply, you answer the on-screen questions like so. This one now it says that I'm all set to participate in the study. Now complete the task. So because of this video, I don't know, I might not be able to complete it, but if I can, I'll do it later. So once you complete this now, that will make it $10. You get paid $10. So you're going to speak out loud like this one says, thanks for signing up. Please verbally speak your thoughts out loud consistently throughout the study. Do not skip questions. Do not take this study more than once. If you haven't taken a speak aloud study before, view an example here. I've done that. For other FAQs, check here. So you need to complete this study by July 12th, and it's $10 via choice of dozens of digital gift cards. And then make sure to answer all screener questions accurately and honestly to avoid issues with your submission. So you need technical and device requirements. You need computer with webcam. Please use any browser to complete this task. Your audio and screen will be recorded during the session, no tablet or smartphone. So if I click here now, it will take me to the page where I am going to start this test. It's the one they call speak out loud. I'm going to be answering this question, speaking out loud. All right. I had to take a break to go finish that particular study. It's an unmoderated task that I had to go complete, and it's paid $10. Their study format includes in person, over the phone, online, one-on-one interview, focus group, multi-day study, unmoderated task. So like I mentioned, you usually need your mobile phone or a computer. So this is how the tasks are advertised like this. You can see how you use your AI and marketing tools, paying $80 in 40 minutes. EV battery fleet management, $55 in 30 minutes. Digital security, $125, 5 days. So it's a 5-day community on Recollective. Over the course of 5 days, you will be asked to complete a series of short activities and all of that. IT professionals wanted. Help shape the future with your insights. It's paying $150 for 1 hour. European 3D FDM printer users needed. Seeking collage makers and photo editors, $60, 60 minutes. Test new smart home intercom technology in your home, paying $100 for 120 minutes. And you'd see the study deadline and the type of device required for each of them. You can also search for a topic that interests you here and see if it will come up. So that is why you need to fill in your details. Make sure you fill in your profile properly so that they will be giving you jobs that relates to your profile, that relates to your professional, your shopping habits, and all of that. When you sign up, it will say approved and then waiting for the time of that study, or it will say full. When you finish the study, you get paid. It will change to paid. So the one I just did now, is confirmed, and the deadline for this project is today. As at the time of recording this video, I've completed the tasks. It's $10 as well. This is the money here. For this one, you can cash out via any gift card option. Well, I chose to cash out via Visa card. So I earned $20 from What Does Healthy Mean to You. I shared my insights and I got paid $20. It's in my Visa card. It's in my Google Pay. I added it there. I will show it to the screen. You can redeem via Visa card. You can use it to buy things online. You can use it to shop in stores, tap in and tap out. All right. You can use it to pay for your bus pass. You can use it to pay on Temu, Amazon, and any online stores. So it is a good one. If you're interested, go ahead and try it. I will leave the link in the description for you guys so that you can go check them out. But believe me, this one pays. If you have the time, you are going to make money from this website. So the other popular studies they offer is online studies, online focus groups, online interviews, online multi-day studies, online surveys, interview studies, in-person interview studies, in-person studies, phone studies, focus groups, in-person focus groups. So choose the one that you can do and sign up for that particular one and wait for them to get back to you. And that's that for me. You can see my balance here, $20 so far. And this is my card. I also have it on my Google Pay, which means I can use it to pay anywhere I am. It's prepaid card and it is still active. It expires in 6 months. So you can cash out via Visa and use it to pay anywhere in the world. So this is a good one I thought to share to you guys. Go ahead and sign up using the link in the description and let me know how it goes. If you make any money here, let me know. If you have made money in the past, let me also know, because I believe I've shared this here before, but I haven't started earning as of then. Now that I've earned some money and I'm serious to even earn more. So let me know your thoughts about it. Thanks so much everyone for watching, and don't forget to like this video, share to others, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.